Guys, this is John from Grab and Go, Chef John from Grab and Go, and today I decided to make cassava bread. For those of you who knows the process of making cassava bread, it's a very lengthy process. Okay, you have to, peel the cassava, grate it. Well, grating the cassava is the longest process of it all. It takes hours and hours to make a good amount of this stuff here, which is the cassava shavings after it's been put through a sieve. Some people use a cloth, some sort of a fine cloth to strain the fluid out of it. Well, what I decided to do to eliminate that process, I decided to use a juicer. This is the juicer, and this is the cassava juice. Okay, of course, when you put the cassava inside here, I don't know if you can see, it's the same process as juicing. Like if you stuck an apple in here, you'd get the juice on this side and then you'd get the pulp on this side. Well, in this case, what I did, I used the same process as if I was juicing. So there it is. These are my cassava shavings, nice and dry. Okay, look at that, nice and dry. It's not wet. Actually, all I got to do is just do a little finishing here, let it, just let it dry a little bit. But it's not dry. I mean, it's dry, rather, it's not wet, which eliminates like two more steps of this. I don't have to use a sieve, a strainer, or that type of cloth that they use. And there it is, man. Just stick some cassava sticks in here and just make as much as you want in seconds.